Hello guys, I'm Nandakishor and welcome back to the channel. And today guys, we are unboxing a camera, and I have not unboxed a camera in this channel before, so this is the first time. And today we are unboxing the Nikon Coolpix B500, and this is the camera guys. And I actually bought the red one, the black one was not available, so I bought the red color one. And this is a 16 megapixel camera, and that's not bad. This is a 16 megapixel camera with a 40x zoom Nikon. It is a 40x zoom, and it has a wide lens, and this has a 3-inch tilt LCD. This has also a full HD movie. It can record video in full HD. And also guys, this has an app called SnapBridge in the Play Store and iOS, which we can share the photos directly from the camera to the smartphone. So that's a good feature. And also has Wi-Fi and Bluetooth and NFC enabled. And also with this we will also get a 16 GB memory card and also a carry case like this. Okay, this is a basic Nikon carry case, and I'm just going to place it right there. Let's see what all we get in this. We get a strap, rechargeable NIMH battery charger, audio video cable, USB cable, user's manual warranty. This has a 2-year warranty also. And guys, okay, I have opened this. I have used it before because I wanted to test it for you guys, and I have taken some pics and everything and just tested everything. So okay, let's start the unboxing. And before I unbox this, today's shoutout winner is Leidas. Congratulations! And if you need a shoutout in my next video, just subscribe to my channel, ring the notification bell, and just follow me on my social like Twitter, Facebook and Instagram. And just comment below something nice, and in my next video you will get that shoutout. And let's get back to the unboxing. Okay, just opening this. Okay guys, first there is the lens cap. This is the Nikon's basic lens cap here. Okay, this is normal lens cap. And this is the battery charger. This is the battery charger. There is 4 batteries in the camera. Okay, this is a basic charger also. And this is the charging cable, and it is actually pretty long actually. This is a big cable, and I don't know why the big cable is necessary for this small charger, but I think that's a good thing. I'm just going to move it aside. And next is a micro HDMI cable and a audio video cable, micro USB, and that's it. And the final thing, also a SD card, 16 GB SD card, and also okay, that's it. And the last thing is the camera guys. This is the Nikon B500. Okay, the strap, actually I attached the strap before. It doesn't come attached, we have to attach it. And this is the camera guys. This is a pretty good and shiny camera actually. This is a red camera. And let's observe the camera. We have the zoom feature here. This is a zoom button, a zoom thingy here, and this is the 2 zooming pivots here, on here and here. Okay, we can zoom it from here and here. This is the flash button. If you just press it, the flash will come out. This is the on button, and this is the record button. Okay, this is the record button. This is the display button, image button, and OK button, camera, exposure, macro mode. This has a macro mode also, a menu button, delete button. That's it. This is a place for to hold, and there are many modes. Okay, this is a Coolpix, but it has this has a SLR model and kind of a SLR features also. And that's it, I guess. This is a 3-inch LCD screen that is completely tiltable. That's then we can take photos in extreme conditions. We don't have to kneel down so that's a good thing. And this is the area where the battery is placed, and these are the batteries. These are the Nikon Coolpix batteries. Okay, I don't know if you can see it. Okay, and these are the batteries. I'm just going to place it back. And guys, this is a pretty good battery. It stays for a long time if you charge it fully. And this is where the memory card is placed. Also, this is a tripod holder where the tripod should be placed. And this is the lens, and we cannot remove this lens or attach anything, but we can attach some accessories to it. It will increase the zoom, I think, but this has a pretty good zoom, 40x wide zoom. This is a wide lens with full HD, and it records at 1080p 30 frames per second, so that's pretty good. And this is the forward facing speaker. So let's stop talking and just start the camera. That's a pretty good sound. And this is the camera, guys. This, I don't know if you can see it properly, but okay, this is the screen, this is the camera, and it zooms pretty far. This is completely zoomed right now, and look at this right now. It looks a bit awkward like this. It's a little awkward, but okay, it's good, and it's pretty good. And I have taken some photos with it, and you can see it right now. It's a pretty good photo, and this zooms pretty well too, and that's why the pics are also very good. That's really good. Actually, the camera is actually really good, and it is really good for beginner photographers to learn photography. And there's no that much features. We cannot adjust the aperture or nothing. We cannot change that in this Coolpix. This is just a point and shoot. And this is the cable where the HDMI and DC in and AV out is clipped right here. And that's it, I guess. I'm just going to start a video right now. And guys, I don't think you can see it, but I will just put it in the post-production right now. Okay guys, how you all doing, guys? So this is now on 1080p 30 frames per second. I don't know if you guys can. I cannot. It's hard to hold this. It's kind of heavy, not that much heavy, but it's kind of heavy. So this is the video quality, and probably I'm going to on my next video I will start recording on this camera. So this is also not pretty. This is not bad. It's comparatively very good, and it is very good for beginners also. Let me switch to the other camera. And okay guys, this is a very good camera. I really suggest this camera for beginner photographers, and it is actually cheap. This is 15,950 rupees. Okay, that's in rupees, and in dollars it is 251.213 US dollars. I think you can see it. Okay, that's $251, and that's not that much price for a camera, because this is a really good camera, good for beginners, and this has many modes, like an SLR also. This looks good, feels good, takes good photographs. That's 16 megapixel. That's not very bad. And that's it for today, guys. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe to my channel, ring the notification bell, and be a part of this notification squad. And thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.